Hey guys, this is Jim here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving and you guys are getting ready for Christmas. So, today we're going to talk about the mpshield 2.0. Not the original one, but the 2.0. I have the one with the laser, the Chrism trace laser integrated. And the question is the Smith & Wesson Shield 2.0 still the king in the concealed carry world? Smith & Wesson came out with the Shield Plus as well. The Shield 2.0 has been around for around 4 years now. And they came out with the Plus with only two differences. The first is instead of 7 to 8 round, you have 8 to 10 round and a different trigger, a flat face trigger. And the first one was a curved trigger. If you only have a Shield 2.0, I don't see the need to upgrade to the Plus. I know a lot of people talking about the trigger, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. I never had a problem whatsoever with my trigger in the Shield 2.0. No matter how bad you think a trigger may be, if you train with it, you have no problem whatsoever. For example, let's take Glock. Glock has one of the worst trigger in the industry out of the box. A lot of people don't even change their triggers, but they train with them to practice and no problem whatsoever. So to me, trigger is not a problem unless you are you're doing competition, you're shooting, you need to shoot fast and stuff. Yeah, but self-defense, it's fine. It's fine, guys. I'm going to put some pictures up here so you guys can see what I've done to my Shield 2.0 to make it mine. You ready? Let's go. First, the gun is very slim, guys. The gun is very slim. I know lots of people don't really like the slim grip. They like the thick grip. But if you're looking for something that's very, very concealable, it has to be slim. So that's why it was the king, or I don't know, is it still the king? First thing I did, I painted the 3 white dot. Man, I hate 3 white dot sights on guns. I had to paint that. I blacked out the rear with a Sharpie, make it look like a dark gray. The second thing is I also painted the front sight with a bright orange Sharpie, like permanent marker. That makes it easier for my eye to catch on. The third thing I did was blacked out the green laser button. Man, that was so distracting for me. And the last thing I did was sanding down the grip texture. The grip texture was so rough, it would tear your clothing. And if you're not wearing undershirt, it will scratch the crap out of you. So I had to sand it down. Yeah, so that's what I've done to my original 2.0, not original, to my Shield 2.0 to make it mine. This is what it's just cosmetic. The trigger, no problem. When it comes to the manual safety, when I first started carrying, I always had it on. It was always on. Safety always on. Until one day I realized I didn't have it on for a week. The safety was off for a week. I never noticed because I don't really pull it out my holster. And then I'm like, wow, okay. It's been off ever since. So guys, I know it's a little bit, when you first started carrying, it's like, man, should I carry, because I carry one in the chamber, should I manual safety engage that, you know? But it is what it is. I carried it with no manual safety on for a week. I didn't even notice it until I took the gun out to check it. And then I'm like, wow, well, it's been on ever since. It's been off ever since. Now, with all the new guns that's coming out, we have the SIG P365, the P365 XL. We got the canik TP9 SC. Is the mpshield 2.0 or the Plus still the king? Let's talk about the SIG. The SIG P365 XL. It has a capacity of 12 to 15, 12 plus 1, 15 plus 1. The canik TP9, it has the same capacity, 12 plus 1 to 15 plus 1. You have the Shield Plus, that's 8 plus 1, 10 plus 1. You got the Shield that I have, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1. To answer the questions that we have, is it still the king? I would say yes. The mpshield 2.0 is still the king. Why? Because when you say concealed carry, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for something that's very small, flat, easy to conceal. All right? This bad boy right here. All right? Which is this guy right here, you know? Very thin, yeah, see? Nothing is in there. Nothing's in there. You can take this thing off. Boom, nothing. All right? So, which is this guy right here. Easy to conceal. Very thin, like I said. All right? Okay. And I have this guy right here. That's my guy. You know, oh, pick it up. Yeah. I'm going to make a video about it. This is the all gray, all tungsten gray canik TP9 SC. But when you look at this, it looks cool, but it's not as thick. It's not as thin as this guy right here. I'm going to make a video about these two together, a comparison with the mpshield versus the TP9. Again, yes, the mpshield for me is still the king because it's way more concealable. Even though it has less round, but it's way more concealable. That's why we're talking about conceal carry. I'm not talking about capacity. If you're looking for capacity, yes, go for the SIG or the canik. But I'll go for the canik any day because it's cheaper. Well, not cheaper, but yeah, just a little bit. And I like canik. All right. So this is what I had for you guys. If you liked it, click like and subscribe, share it, comment down below if you have any questions. If you want to see the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload the video about the canik by itself, the all gray version, and when I put the video out about the comparison from the canik and the mpshield. All right, guys. Until then, stay safe and remember 1A plus 2A equals freedom.